How to pay Temu with Capitec. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay on your Temu account using your Capitec. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Temu account and simply log into your account using your credentials, and after that just explore the Temu application or the website wherever you have logged in, and after that just select the product that you would want to buy and put that product into your cart. For example, I have already put the product into my cart. Just simply go to the checkout section from the right hand side, and over here just simply select your country or region where you want your product to be delivered and just fill in all these details. And on the next page, when you click on continue to payment, you will be able to see a bunch of different payment options like Visa, credit card, debit card, Cash App, and other different options. So just select the so in order to make the payment using your Capitec, all you have to do is just keep your Capitec debit or credit card handy with you, and once you have your credit or debit card of your Capitec account, just simply click on Visa or the credit or debit card options wherever you like, and after that just fill your card details like your card number, CVC code, and other details. And once you fill in the card details, just simply make the purchase and just continue with the payment, and your order will be placed. So this is basically how you will be able to pay Temu with Capitec. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.